Special greetings, my dear students. Yesterday, just I explained about query and relationship and all, relating tables and all. Students, already I told, again I am saying, query means used to take information of particular condition. According to particular condition, we can able to take information. Example, okay. So in a school, there will be 1,000, 2,000 members will be there. In that, those are scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics, we can able to take, that is the help of, means some particular criteria we are making and we are taking that information. Today uh, I will create in front of you two tables. Okay, I am going to create two tables in front of you. After creating two table, I am going to create relationship. After creating relationship, I will try to make a query today itself. Okay, I will make a query and I will show you how it is working. Okay, how it is working, what type of output we are getting. Okay, now start button, access. Okay, students, be clear in this. You are learning access 2010 only. Okay, no need to install 2007 or 2013 or latest version. You can install, but it may have some changes. Okay, some little bit changes will be there. So database name I am going to give 8th. Okay, after creating 8, now it is going to create an empty database. It is loading now. Actual students, why it is delay in my computer? Because whatever file I am going to create, it is going to be stored in my OneDrive. OneDrive means it is a cloud. Okay, if anyone delete the file also, it will be saved in internet. Okay, so because of that, it is taking a little bit time. Whatever file I am creating, it will store in a internet cloud also. So this is a way of protecting data. Okay, now see, I opened default table, one is there. Now I am going to create a two table. One is a student personal and another one is a student school information. Okay, now right click, design view. Now it is showing, it is asking table name. I am going to give student personal. I think students, four field is sufficient. Okay, so ID we can keep default, uh, primary key. Okay, I think we cannot able to make it more big. Okay, we can keep this a personal na. So father name is what, text after mobile number. Mobile number is what, number. Okay, after city, text after address we can give memo. I think this is sufficient, students. I think so, this is more sufficient because this is for of now. So now right click, save. So when I'm opening, double click on student personal, see what field we created, it is here. Okay, now students, this is a personal information. So I'm going to give father name Ram, mobile number, any number you can give because this is for just purpose, rough purpose. Okay, city GKP, address you can type anything. Okay, now another second record, Raj. Okay. Student, this is a personal information of a student. Okay. Sajanva, address and you can type. Okay. And third, um, Mohan. Students, please try to get this. This is a rough information. This rough information is a student personal information. Means student's father name is Ram, father's mobile number, but we don't know the student. So we will create a table for a student. Okay. Now how we will create table? Create table. Now right click, design view. So student school information. So ID we can keep primary key. Now name, text, okay, class, class number. Now I think we can add marks of three subject. Okay, maths number, science, science also what are the type? Science also a number. Okay, after SST. I think student this is sufficient. Okay, I don't want to give because this is just to show off how we are making this all things. Okay, save it. Okay, now student name we can give Aryan, class 7th, mathematics he got 96. Actually, this is just a few students. Soumi also 7th class. Okay, 80. Okay, students. Now just to observe the table. Okay. See here, this is a student table, student information, student name, class, three subject marks. And if you are going to the personal information, you can able to see the father number, mobile number and city. Now I am going to link a table. Okay, I am going to link a table. In this both table, we can able to see ID is a common and ID is a primary key. Okay. Now I am going to link. So how I am going to link? Database tool, relationship. Now show table, student personal, selected, add. Now student school, selected, add, close. Now see here, in this both field names, in this student school what fields are there, it is showing the field name. In student school what field names are there, it is showing that. In this both field, IDs are common. So I am clicking and I am dragging, I am leaving exactly to the ID. So when I am leaving ID, what is happening? One table is coming, create. Now relationship created. So now we create a relationship also. Now this is the main area. See a query we created, relationship also we created a relationship. Okay. Now we are going to create a query. Already I told in previous class, if you want to create a query, you can use query wizard or query design. Now I am going to create query with help of query design. Now in this also show table, I am going to add both tables. Students, now I want those are taken more than 90 mark in a math. Okay, they can be any class. And the thing is what, I want a student that mark also, I want their name also, and I want student father name, mobile name. You know well, student name marks in different table, student father name, mobile number, it is in a different table. Okay, but I want this both information in a one table. Okay, now we are going to start to create a query. So with help of this relationship we can able to merge this both and we can able to take information. Now see here, select field, before we have to select the table. Now I am going to select student school information. So in student school, how many fields are there? These all the fields are available, correct? So this all field, after selecting student school, we can able to get. So now I want student ID, same way. So I want student name, student school, and I want mathematics. Okay. Criteria what we can give? Uh, Greater than 90. See here, criteria means a one condition querying. Okay. First time we no need to give any criteria. No need to give criteria. Without criteria, how it is displaying table, we can see. After seeing this query, we can able to give a criteria. Okay. Now I inserted this all. Now I want the father name. Now father name is in which table? Student personal now. So select the student personal. After selecting student personal student, select father name. Again same way, select student personal, mobile number. If you want city and all, you can add, it is depend on your wish. Student, up to now this much I created. In this place, this is very important. Please focus here. Okay. Now right click, save. So this is a rough query. Can you able to see one table? Now see, just double click. What is happening? Student name, their math mark, father name, mobile number. Now actually this all information was in a different table. Now that both table merged in a query. This area. Am I right? Any doubt in this? This is a simple query. Okay, this is a simple query. Actually this informations are available in a different table. With help of query we merged this both. Now student, now see, we created a simple query. Now simple criteria, student criteria means a simple condition. Okay, now I will explain only the criteria, and multiple criteria and the remaining things we will see in a upcoming class, because if I explain to you all together you will get a confused. Okay, now see here, just right click, design view. Now criteria I am going to give. Okay, what is the criteria? Greater than 90. Okay, sorry. So in mathematics those are taken more than 90. Now right click, save. I saved. Student, before opening this table we will see the how many students taken more than 90. So only two students taken more than 90 now. Now see, only two students are coming in a row. Means this row, this table we created a query. What query? Greater than 90. Okay, greater than 90. So, and how many students taken the mark greater than 90? Only two. See, when I am opening greater than 90. In case I want in a science those who are taken less than 60. Okay, now I am changing here. Now I want to mark those who are taken less than 50. In which subject? Sorry. In science subject, those are taken less than 50 or 30, it is your wish. Now see, right click, design view, create designer here, select science. Less than how much? 50. 50 or 30, it is your wish. I given, save. Now see science, only one student got less than 60. Okay. Okay students, today we completed simple criteria. I think today this is enough. If we are going more, you may get confused. Okay. We will go slow by slow because we are having plenty of time and we are having very less chapters. Okay. I hope so tomorrow we will complete entire chapter. Means entire up to fourth chapter we will complete tomorrow, and upcoming class only 5 and 6. It will not take, it will take only 2 periods. Okay. Okay students, thanks for watching. Please take care, complete all the works. Okay, thank you.